A Russian missile strike has claimed the lives of at least 4 individuals in the southern Ukrainian city of Odessa, targeting a Gothic style building known locally as the Harry Potter Castle. Even as night fell, the distinctive turrets of the structure continued to burn, with emergency services assessing the blaze as severe. Reports indicate that residents were caught off guard as air raid alerts sounded only minutes before the strike, leaving them with insufficient time to seek shelter. According to local officials, Monday's attack resulted in at least 32 additional injuries, with 23 individuals remaining hospitalized as of Tuesday. Video footage depicted the ornate building, identified as a private law academy, with its roof largely demolished in the aftermath of the strike, while firefighters worked tirelessly to extinguish the flames. Monsters, beasts, savages, scum. I don't know what else to say. Gennady Trukhanov, the mayor of Odessa, said in a video posted on Telegram, "People are going for a walk by the sea and they are shooting and killing." The building is also reported to be the residence of former MP Serhiy Kivalov, who runs the law academy and was believed to have been wounded in the strike, according to Ukrainian media. Dmytro Pletenchuk, a spokesman for the Ukrainian Navy, said the strike was conducted by an Iskander-M ballistic missile with a cluster warhead. All services, including the state emergency service, are currently working to eliminate the consequences of the missile strike, yet another war crime, Pletenchuk said. During his visit to the capital Kyiv on Monday, NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg acknowledged the alliance's failure to promptly fulfill its promises to Ukraine, allowing Russia to exploit battlefield advantages. However, he assured Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky that support is on the way. These remarks come amidst Ukrainian forces facing significant challenges against Russian adversaries on the battlefield. Commander-in-Chief Alexander Syrsky reported a deterioration in the frontline situation, leading to the withdrawal of forces from certain positions in the Donetsk region. Meanwhile, local officials reported that the Russian strike on Tuesday in the northeastern Ukrainian city of Kharkiv resulted in at least 2 fatalities and 6 injuries. Preliminary information suggests that Russian forces utilized guided bombs in the attack, as stated by Governor Oleh Syniehubov on Telegram. The strike inflicted damage to a residential building in one of the city's districts, according to Mayor Ihor Terekhov.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.